Labels in Google Docs are a game changer. They help you organize your documents like a pro. Here's how you can create and use labels in just a few simple steps. First, open your Google Doc and go to the Insert menu. Click on Table of Contents and select Label. Give your label a name that represents the content you want to organize. Now, highlight the text you want to label and click on the Format menu. Choose Paragraph Styles and select the label you just created. Boom! Your text is now labeled. To use your labels, go to the View menu and click on Document Outline. You'll see all your labels neatly organized. Click on any label to jump straight to that section. Labels make navigating your document a breeze. So, next time you're working on a long document, remember to create and use labels in Google Docs. Stay organized and save time. Happy labeling!